SEO Tutorials for Beginners in 2018. In this video session, I'm going to share with you some insights that I believe will definitely help your website to grow on internet, especially through Google rankings. If you're an absolute beginner to search engine optimization, then realize that Google guidelines have not changed, whether in 2018, whether it's in 2014, 11, and so on. It's the same. RankYa YouTube channel does have SEO tutorial for beginners video lesson that I've created 3 years ago. And in fact, I still encourage you to watch this. Spend a few minutes to understand core concepts when optimizing your website. So I'm not going to cover that. Instead, in 2018, yes, there has been some changes, such as SSL is now important, especially if you're running an e-commerce store. You need your website to be running on HTTPS. Once again, RankYa YouTube channel has the video for moving HTTP to HTTPS properly for WordPress sites. But it is a straightforward process. Most modern web hosts actually take care of this for you for a small fee. But you definitely need to consider it. Another great change is mobile responsiveness of your website. You can use Chrome toolbar, press on F12 on your keyboard, select the arrow key and press on this little mobile device icon. When you do, you can then see how your website will look on certain devices. And then you can see there is no problems and so on. Also, you should 110% verify your website with Google Search Console. It will tell you HTML improvements. It can show you more insights. Once again, I have the videos for that as well. Also, double check mobile usability. Here, this important change in 2018 for Google rankings. Furthermore, you can definitely check out structured data. It's not part of rankings per se, but if you understand how Google works, then you will realize the importance of it. Including structured data can be complex, but Google does have the tools for you to at least attempt to provide additional information, such as using data highlighter and so on. So how can I make this video more beneficial for you? Take a look at this image on my blog, because this will be published after this particular video session is rendered. You should 100% read through this insight that I've created, because it contains the core concepts in terms of the way that you should be thinking about search engine optimization. Because your website is important for you. And the time, energy, money that you're spending to grow it, then you want better returns. And Google still is one of the best avenues to bring in qualified website traffic. That means targeted website traffic. When you're beginning to rank keywords, always select long-tailed keywords by simply experimenting with Google search box. Remember, Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool, although it's free to use, part of AdWords, that's designed for advertisers. And yet, sometimes it's not going to show you long-tailed keywords people are searching for. Let's search for this. And remember that people also ask is a new feature, whereby it can extend the results page here by showing you what people are searching for, because Google is saying people also asked this question. Then people also asked, let's say, how can I become an SEO expert? How can I become an SEO expert? I should be somewhere on this page, I believe. Yes, how do I become an SEO specialist? Because that's a long-tailed keyword. Now, most small business owners, particularly, they don't want to target these long-tailed keywords because they think, you know what, it's not worth it. But the fact is, whether you want to rank competitive keywords or less competitive keywords, to rank any keyword, you need to target long-tailed keywords anyway and better optimize your website. That means have sitemaps. Make sure that Google can access your website. You can double check that by using Fetch as Google feature to see how Google is seeing your website. And adding sitemaps then assures that Google can access your pages so that it can rank. And the most important part when you're creating content, make sure it's targeted by looking at Google search box, create the content, answer the questions people are asking, learn to internal link, create titles, description, all shown to you in easy-to-use videos by RankYa. While here, if you're using WordPress, let me show you a trick. Go to Appearance, go to Menus, press on Screen Options, make sure you have Title Attribute box checked, and then you can provide title attributes for your menu links. Because menus are a very important part of a website because it helps improve user experience and usability. Now, a lot of SEO experts, they think that SEO is just a matter of creating landing pages with keywords in it, put some keywords in the title, description, and so on. But what you need to do is improve the usability of your website, especially on mobile devices. Now, you may not be a technical person, and you may be thinking, you know what, I have a website, I want to get better rankings. I'm currently getting rankings, so SEO doesn't have to be rocket science. Well, the fact is there's two parts to SEO. One is all the insights that you can find on RankYa YouTube video lessons. Another one is, you know what, if you're a smart business owner, you should definitely consider hiring others, especially if you have a WordPress site. Definitely check out the service I may be able to offer you. Because as I've said, there's two parts to SEO. One is the front end, easy side, but that's not all you can do. You can do more in terms of optimizing your website through coding and so on. So everything works perfectly. Now, while here, let me also share this insight with you. Okay. I do offer services and so on, and these are all valued clients who have seen the value of hiring you to optimize their website. Give you a simple trick that I think you're not going to find anywhere else. Let's say I search for SEO services as an example. That means your niche will be different, your keywords will be different, but you can still use Google search box to see. When you search it, double check the keywords that is highlighted, because sometimes you'll end up seeing some keywords. Here it says companies, but I didn't search for companies. That means if I was to target these keywords and rank them throughout my landing pages and my website, I should be using keyword companies because that's what it's highlighting, or a company, and so on. So always look at the highlighted words. Another trick is this. Let's imagine how to rank your keywords in Google in 24 hours. Let's search for that. And let's see what else people are searching without paying. You can see that I'm holding these positions because these are long tail keywords, right? Now, looking at these, I can say this to myself, okay, let's imagine let's say, okay, let's search this one. Some people say, oh, because you're logged in, that's why all these are here. Well, that may be the case sometimes, but if we search Google US, if we search Google UK or Singapore or Australia, we'll see organic rankings are still showing whether I am logged in or not. As I've said, depending on the niche that you have, you may consider creating videos on YouTube, because Google Web Search sometimes shows videos. And you can see the results are there. Surely these are long-tail keywords, right? Very easy to rank. But what people don't realize is that when you start targeting long-tail keywords, you can use them to internal link to your important pages. Now, I'm going to show you something that no one else is going to be able to show you. Let's say how to Google, because these words were in that search term. So let me grab this sample word and let me say site, colon, let's say my website. So you search yours with this, and then put a space and put some keywords. You can even wrap them within quotes. Here I say how to, that's one word. Let me then double quote the keyword Google, that's another word. Let me search. Here, in terms of this word and my website, Google is favoring this landing page. And also this one. And let's say this search tips somehow is important for these keywords. Now look what you can do. I can go to this one here and let me manipulate this, the power of this result instead of this one. How do you do that? I went to perhaps 5th position. This is the landing page. I can edit it, and within it I can find the keyword how to or Google. It's not within the content. So what I can do, just to demonstrate, now I can grab this keyword and actually make it small, cap to how to, and link it. Where do I link it? Here I want to link it. Go to text on WordPress. After A, put title equals colon, double quotes, I mean. I can say how to. If I want, I can just title like that. Or I can say how to get better results. I can even do that. Or how to get top rankings in Google. I can do that. I can title, update the page, as in publish it. Next time when Google comes, it will see this keyword being linked here. Make sense? And it's coming, that link is coming from another page that Google is favoring for these keywords. So that's a trick no one else is going to be able to teach you. That's why you should definitely subscribe to RankYa YouTube channel, because in 2018 I'm going to share the secrets that I never revealed before, because nearly 30,000 subscribers. So hit subscribe button. Let's get to 30,000 and more. These are all organic subscribers. If you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like and share it, and definitely follow the insights. Watch this particular video session, implement the insights, and just doing that you'll get better results. But if you have the finances to invest, then definitely check out RankYa SEO services, because if you have a WordPress site, I can optimize it in such way that you'll never need technical SEO done again, because technical SEO can be advanced. In this video, I've shared basic tutorials with you. Nonetheless, even the insights you now can learn will definitely see better results from your website. Mark my words for it. Check out the comments, because that's what followers of RankYa confirm anyway. I'm wishing your WordPress site great success on the internet, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.